Encountering the failed to add user error when setting up your Lorex security system? Don't worry, it's a common issue with a few key causes. This error typically arises when trying to add a new user through the Lorex app or web portal. The main culprits are usually authentication problems, conflicting usernames or emails, or simply software glitches. Let's break down the primary reasons. 1. Permissions issues. The user adding the new account may lack sufficient admin rights. 2. Username conflicts. Lorex requires unique usernames for each account, so duplicates are a no-go. 3. Email problems. The email address might be invalid, unverified, or already associated with another Lorex account. 4. Technical factors. Network instability, outdated software, or server overloads can also trigger this error. By understanding these core issues, we can start troubleshooting effectively. This section will give you an overview of the process. The next section will cover potential solutions to resolve the failed to add user error and get your Lorex system working smoothly. Now that we understand the potential causes, let's dive into fixing the failed to add user error. Here's a step-by-step approach. First, restart the Lorex app and your device. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Log in to your account on the Lorex website and double-check that the email address you're using isn't associated with multiple accounts. Delete any duplicate accounts if necessary, as Lorex only allows one primary account per email. Outdated software is a common culprit. Make sure your Lorex app is updated to the latest version, at least version 3.1.2, released in June 2025, available on both iOS and Android. Also, check for any available firmware updates for your NVR. Ensure the user adding the new account has administrator privileges. In some cases, server overloads might be the issue, particularly during peak usage times. Try adding the user again later. Bonus tip: if integrating with third-party services like Google Home or Alexa, double-check the permission settings within those platforms. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the failed to add user error and successfully add new users to your Lorex security system.